Hello everyone, this is KinCony LT. We have not seen each other for a long time because of the Chinese New Year holiday, and these days we are busy for developing a new product. And now I come back and begin to work with the video. And in this video I will talk about our plan for the 2022 for the development plan of our product. And the first we will talk about the hardware. Last year, we have designed the A-series product like the A4, A8, and A16, that all based on the ESP32 module. And this product uploaded to our website and online store. Many people have used this product, and it's very popular. I think they will like this product, such as the A4 board. Many people have love this board. And in this year, we will continue to make the A-series product, and such as the A32. You can see this board. We are just under testing. This is A32, have 32 channel output, relay output, and 32 channel input, and have some analog input on this board. Also, it's used by ESP32 module. So this is the A-series, and maybe in future we will design the 64 channel, and you will have 64 channel input and 64 channel output. It will be very big, the PCB board, but it's very powerful. I think it's not easy to see on the market. So this is the A-series product. And about the HXB series product, such as H32BS and H32B and the serial B, we will continue to make the new firmware according to the customer feedback, the user feedback. Now I don't know what to update, but we will see every customer's suggestion, and at last we will make a new firmware update. So what will update? If you have some ideas, you can leave a message to us, and you can write email to us. Then we can, our KinCony development team will make the new firmware about this, some new functions. We'll solve some problem and make some new ideas functions in the new firmware. And also last year we have made the E8 and the E16 extended relay module. And we will continue to make some updates and let the board many more powerful and more function and more easy to use. And this is just for the extended relay module. And about the hardware, at last in 2022 we will have the biggest, biggest creative product that we called, this box is called KC868 server. This is a server of your house home automation. It can management by this box. And this box will almost cost development about 7 months, more than half a year. So we have taken many times to design this box, and it will be released soon. What is the advantage of this server board? Because we have integrated the Raspberry Pi 4, the CM4 computer module in this box inside of the black metal box, and also included the ESP32, so that you will have the digital input and digital output and analog input and IR receive and IR send and the wireless module of 433 MHz. So all this resource can management by the Raspberry Pi or by the ESP32. And also there is a KinCony smart home system, the CPU, KinCony CPU inside of it. So there are 3 CPU. Just one is KinCony ARM CPU, and the second is the Raspberry Pi, and the third is the ESP32. The 3-coin CPU will work at the same time, so it's very powerful. You can do many logical functions. You can do anything, such as you can use the Raspberry Pi and install any Linux software application, and you can do anything for this hardware resource for many projects. I think so. This is very powerful. Almost I can't see the like this product on the market. And in future, I will make some details video to explain it. Okay, this is the hardware of the 2022, and maybe we will design more hardware just according to the user and customers' feedback, and we can create and design some creative innovation product. Okay, let's look at talk about the software. And because we have used this server box, you not need to use an external Raspberry Pi box. And before, you need to put one Raspberry Pi box, and another is a KinCony controller box. So we'll have two boxes, but this time you just only use one box. So you can use Home Assistant will be very easy. So in this year, I will make the Home Assistant video toy. The video lessons, very details, and step by step tell you how to create the system, how to build your home automation system, and how to step by step to create the lamp, the curtain, integrate the camera and the sensor and the automation functions. So this will be make our Home Assistant lessons. And the second, because we have A4 board, A8 board, A16 board, A32 board, maybe have more A-series product. So the ESP Home is very powerful and easy to use. So I also will continue to make the Arduino IDE, how to write the code for the A-series board. If you can just a little coding technology, then you can do many logical country and automation country by yourself, just as your mind, so that you can tell the board what to do and how to do. So this is just according to your code. So this I will make the Arduino IDE the lessons. And also because it will be easy to use the Node-RED and the Tasmoto freeware. So I also will make some videos about how to use this Node-RED and the Tasmoto in our A-series board. That will be easy because our software is open source and free to use and popular used by many people. So if you can learning how to use the Home Assistant, how to use Arduino IDE, how to use the Node-RED, and how to use the Tasmoto. So you can use this tech skill and for many different IoT products, not only used by KinCony product, but also you can use this principle and work with other companies' product. It's no problem because KinCony is open and the product is open and the technology is open. So we can show our skill and we can learn each other. So this is a software about the third panel for application. We will make the video lessons. And at last, the K-Box. The K-Box is our local network application. And we will update the K-Box Android phone application to support the IP camera. This we will do it. And you will let your K-Box application as soon as the KinCony smart home application use the relay controller in the window and the left and the up window. You will see the CCTV, the web camera video, and the another half of the window. You can turn on the relay and change the dimmer and see the logical controller COL, many sensor data feedback, such as the temperature, humidity, and analog input and digital input state, or you can see the K-Box. But why we update the K-Box? Because the K-Box uses the MQTT technology, so that you can use your own cloud server. Maybe you are a user, you are a customer, so you can create the private MQTT server very easy by yourself. The server is not in China. The server is in your country, maybe in your city or in your home. So the K-Box will support use any MQTT block cloud server. The KinCony smart home application only use the server in China. So sometimes maybe we have some delay because the long distance, the China and between your country is long distance. So maybe we have some little speed delay. And if you use KBooks, you can create the MQTT block cloud server very easy because I have made the video before. You can see our old video how to create the MQTT block server. And the second, if you are a company, you sell the product to your customers, and you can easy to create your company's cloud server and servers for your country and your city customer. That will be very easy because the application speed it will be very fast. And the third, because the KBox of the Android phone, we have make it open source, and in our GitHub you can download the source code and you can change anything and any update, such as you can change the logo and change the company name and change the title and change the UI, and you can change anything. That all is free, and all you can change and modify the source code based on our GitHub source code. So you can generate the new APK file for Android phone application by yourself. Actually, we also have open source for the iOS, the iPhone application, but because the Apple Store policy not allow the simple two application functions, just change the logo and change the title and upload it to the Apple Store, maybe they will not allow you to upload your application. So use the Android phone application will be easy to OEM or to change anything by yourself. And this is a software and the video toy about the lessons we will prepare for this year for everyone. Because in last year we have made many boards based on the ESP32, and many people very nice have helped me to make the diagram and make the document and make the demo video and show with our YouTube fans and show with everyone, so that can let everyone can easily to understand the system and actually see the demo video. And this year, so I will also show our technology and our skills for everyone. I think the KinCony not only our company. I think the KinCony is planned for the home automation for everyone. So we can learn each other. Not everyone is others teach, so we can learn each other and make the system more stable and make the system more powerful and make the system more user-friendly. Okay, this is I want to talk about the plan of the 2022. And if you have some suggestion and have some questions, you can leave message us. Okay, thanks for watching.